this is?
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be...
Lastly, she's a handful.
No!
Why are you yelling at me?
Well, because she asked me for a goddamn address! Go over there and speak to him and leave me alone.
But I'm trying to speak to you.
Because I'm not gonna come out! I don't have to! I'm talking to you right now, and what the f is the problem?
So basically, we could tell her right now.
Okay.
Well, right now you're under arrest for domestic violence.
Hi.
Hi.
Officer Navarro.
Hi.
Where is your other partner?
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know. Maybe find him at this address if it exists.
So who called?
I'm not sure. Here, find him at that
What's
address.
your name?
I don't know.
You don't know your name?
No. This is my address. My address should be on my name. You came to it.
Can you talk to the guy on that side?
You guys don't need to be all like, you guys can't handle your own? This is disgusting. You guys need to do something else. No, it's only one person, you know, like one person only. You guys don't need to be a bunch of fucking idiots and just do this. It embarrasses people. Here, go find him at that address. He has a receipt at Home Depot.
Just calm down.
No, you calm down and go somewhere else. Here, I took that medicine too. And see why his name doesn't even show up like that. I don't know. I'm so confused. Try that. Get out of here.
Nothing good. She's not making any sense in handing me Home Depot stuff. And this guy didn't even talk to me when I pulled up.
You're the cutest stinking kid.
Oh, I know who this is.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna be...
Lastly, she's a handful. I think she has severe postpartum. It's unchecked.
We responded to the hotel because of her. Remember?
Mm-hmm.
The other day I drove by and she was just staring at me through the window too. She's off.
He's like chill little boy. He's got like a little picture perfect face.
On July 28th, 2024, Quincy Police responded to a domestic violence call. A man reported his girlfriend had threatened to kill him over an unpaid financial dispute. The woman identified as Bethany was contacted at the residence. What followed raised several constitutional questions. The first issue is probable cause. Under Massachusetts General Laws, Chapter 265, Section 13A, assault and battery requires intentional offensive touching or the use of unlawful force against another person. Officers had 3 independent sources supporting probable cause: the 911 call, the boyfriend's on-scene statement, and Bethany's own admission that she had physically confronted Mario. That threshold was met.
Hey Bethany, can you come talk to us?
Can you come to the door? We need to talk to you. I can't hear you. Open the door.
Come explain this to me, because I don't understand.
Okay, so she asked me what my address was, right?
Who's
She
she?
not asked me, or she asked me where Mario was. He has 2 different addresses right there. Go find him. That's what you asked.
Well, he's
So I
here.
answered back and I gave it to him. That's what I can give you for information.
So what's your side of what happened with Mario?
I don't know. He's a little bitch and he called the cops because he needs protection, obviously.
Why
What are
would
you
he-
doing here with 3 people?
Why does he need protection from you?
Well, obviously because I had money and it was gone, but you know what? I found it, so it doesn't matter, and I'm hungry and I need to go.
Well, it says declined, so there's no money.
It doesn't say declined.
It says declined right there.
No, it does not.
It says right there.
It just says
Damage
amount
protection
paid.
declined.
Amount paid. It says 94. It doesn't matter. It's the fucking reason that you fucking asked me for an address, so I gave it to you.
I didn't ask you.
I didn't ask you to read it. I said there's his address.
Well, I'm going to read it because you gave it to me.
Okay, but I only asked you to read his address. She asked me for an address. That's what I gave you. Does it exist? No.
Why are you yelling at me?
Well, because she asked me for a goddamn address.
Did I?
Well, why'd you guys come here? Do you know now who lives here when you come?
Well, you've moved a few times.
Well, right. That's why I'm so confused. Lost addresses.
Why are you yelling?
Because I need to eat.
Is
So
that
can
what-
you leave?
Is this you hangry?
Yes, I need to go eat.
There's
Move.
There's no food in the house?
No, I need to go get milk. Go.
I don't understand.
Okay, I don't understand. Ask Dr. Manavar. I don't know.
Who's Dr.
Or
Matavar?
Lindsay or somebody else. All them. I don't
Who's
know.
Lindsay?
I'm the one that put it on my face, or did you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Or did you? You're the one that sold my mom's house, so let's talk about that.
Actually, she bought my house.
Well, that's your problem. Well, you guys had something going on, obviously. So, who
I'm
knows?
confused. Something about what going on?
I don't know. I don't care. I don't know.
It was posted legally, and she bought it legally.
That's fine. That's fine. So
Okay.
maybe you can explain that. You talk to her more than I do.
Actually, I haven't talked to her.
Well, I took that prescription, put it on my face. So I don't know why Mario has a middle initial, and I don't know why that prescription's in his name. So if you have any questions or answers, go over there and speak to him and leave me alone.
But I'm trying to speak to you.
What if he gives us access just to come in?
If she assaults him, then that would be even more.
I did what?
Huh?
What did I do? What did I do? You guys were there? You guys saw that?
Saw what?
What you just said?
I said if you assault him, that would be even more.
Oh, but what if he assaulted me by,
Well, you won't tell me your side of the story.
well, I
so
don't have
know.
one. There's no side.
Okay.
I absolutely defended what I had to do.
Well, what happened? It caused you
Well,
to defend
I don't
yourself.
give a shit. I don't give a shit. I never even hurt him. He did this last month, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter anymore.
Well,
Fighting
there's
is
two
fighting.
options.
It's none of your
We
business.
can just
Just
tell
go.
her flat out now, or just get a search warrant.
For what? What do you want a search warrant for?
Why don't you just come out?
Because I'm not going to come out. I don't have to. I'm talking to you right now, and what the f*** is the problem?
So basically, we could tell her right now, and then.
Okay,
we
tell
can
me,
further
what?
be More crimes, more charges.
What?
Yeah, let's just do it.
Huh?
Let's just tell her.
Okay. Well, right now you're under arrest for domestic violence.
For what?
For
He
assaulting
absolutely
Laura.
came up to me and threatened me. I'm going to do what I'm going to do, and I never heard
How
him.
do you threaten you?
He absolutely told me he was going to beat my ass right now.
He did?
Absolutely. He came up to me in the living room while my child was in the same room.
Okay.
Okay, I've been beaten
Well-
before? Absolutely.
Okay, well,
I don't care.
As-
Absolutely.
as
That's
of
the point.
now-
You don't
as of now,
ever
with the
show
primary-
violence in front of somebody and absolutely go up to somebody.
As of
You know
now,
what? A
you
person
are
that's
the
been beaten,
primary
a
aggressor.
person that has been beaten is going to protect herself in no matter what. If I'm going to come up to you and act like I'm going to force of
all right,
aggression,
just go
yes.
start typing the search warrant.
No, I'm not going to do that.
The second issue is warrantless threshold entry. When Bethany refused to exit, the officer forced the door open. Under Payton versus New York, 1980, the Fourth Amendment prohibits warrantless home entry to make an arrest absent exigent circumstances or consent. Officers did not have a warrant. However, courts have recognized that active refusal to comply, combined with prior violent conduct, can establish exigency. Whether that standard is satisfied here would depend on what officers reasonably perceived at the threshold, not in hindsight. The third issue is use of force. The physical takedown activates the Graham versus Connor framework. The Supreme Court held in 1989 that force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of the officer on scene. Three factors govern: the severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether the suspect is actively resisting or attempting to flee. All three factors were present here. Bethany was actively resisting a lawful arrest. The level of force applied appears proportional under that standard.
We got one fighting.
No!
Ah, get off me!
Roll over.
Get off me! Ow! Get off me! Ow! We got one fighting.
Ow! I peed my pants!
Put your hand behind your back right now.
I peed my pants! Oh my God, I peed! I peed! I peed my
Stop moving.
Oh my God!
You can breathe.
Oh my God, I can't breathe!
All right, we're gonna stitch you up.
I peed my pants! Wait!
What?
Oh wait, I peed my pants! Wait!
All right, well, you're stuck in what you're wearing.
No!
Sit up.
Feet up.
No! Wait! Let me at least change my underwear, please!
No, we're past
Yes!
that.
No! I just peed my pants! No! Quit!
Can you update him?
Ah,
Stop.
my fucking lungs.
What?
Shoes, you said?
Yeah, ask her.
They're in my... Ow!
Fingers.
You're hurting me!
Do not grab
Ow! 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 Ow!
Where's your shoes?
You're hurting me!
my finger. Where are your shoes?
Where? They're in the house!
Where
You're
is
hurting
she?
me! You are hurting me!
I'm not hurting you.
Yes, you are! How can I even grab you?
Stop yelling.
I don't give a fuck! I just pissed my pants!
I don't care. Where's your
I don't
shoes?
care either! Then shut up!
All right, never mind.
Ow!
Stand up.
Ow!
Probably need to search your first.
Yeah.
Go ahead, step up. We tried, but you wouldn't comply.
Whatever, bitch! Fucking faggot fuck!
You want to turn it around, or how do you want to do it?
What? I don't have anything on me!
Alright, step out.
No! You
Step
just
out.
put me in the car!
Step out or I'll bring you.
You just put me in the car!
Alright.
Well, do your work first! You don't have to be so rough!
I'm not rough.
Yes, you are, you f***ing fat cow! Absolutely, you don't have to be so fucking rough! Make sure I don't have a phone this time, huh? So you guys can't keep it like last time? How many days you gave me a phone? 3 days? I don't have anything! I'm telling you the truth! I don't have any meth and I don't have anything! I'm fucking silver as fuck! My pants are pissed from this fat fuck on me! Couldn't even fucking breathe!
Stand straight. I need to check your breast area.
In the street?
Don't. Alright, enough. Go ahead and check where you need it.
Motherfucker, you better get your hands off me right now.
Stop.
You don't need to do so. You don't need to be so
Stop.
forceful.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't. I'm not even showing force.
Alright.
Alright.
Get off my fucking throat!
You moved
Get off
Sarah's
my
on.
fucking throat!
I'm not on your throat.
Get off my throat! Get off my throat!
I'm not on your
Get off my throat! There's other ways to fucking touch.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. You don't have to get on my
21,
throat.
You're gonna bite me.
22.
Why would I fucking bite you?
Because
They
you
take
look
the
like
money,
something
right?
out of the ring.
For jail?
Well, yeah, because you put it on my face.
Get back!
No!
There you go.
Fuck off.
Now we're
Fuck off.
A separate concern arises regarding the throat restraint complaint. Bethany stated repeatedly, quote, "Get off my throat." Officers denied contact. This allegation cannot be resolved through audio alone. Raw footage must be reviewed frame by frame. Massachusetts has no statewide ban on chokeholds, but many departments in the Commonwealth have adopted internal prohibitions. If neck pressure was applied, this becomes a material use of force issue with potential civil liability under Title 42, Section 1983. The fourth issue is same-sex search protocol. The initial pat-down of the female suspect was conducted by the male officer. Under United States v. Robinson, searches incident to arrest are lawful. However, standard policy requires a same-sex officer when one is available. Officer Navarro was present throughout. Failure to defer the search to her is a procedural deviation and a liability risk. The fifth issue is Miranda compliance. The officer read all 4 required elements correctly and in full. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, warnings must precede custodial interrogation, not the moment of arrest. Timing here was proper. However, Bethany's response mid-advisement raises an ambiguous invocation question. Under Bergwis v. Tompkins, 2010, an ambiguous or equivocal reference to rights does not require officers to cease. Only an unambiguous invocation triggers that protection. Bethany's statement did not meet that threshold.
Alright, Bethany, I'm gonna read you Miranda.
No.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning. If you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights if I've explained them to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
And why does it have a middle initial on it? And why does it have a fucking address? No, it doesn't even exist. Why? Bitch! Do you not understand me? I'm allergic to metal. God damn it! Look at my face. You guys are so mean. Can you unloosen them, please? They're burning my fingers. Please, I'm asking you nicely. Can you even talk back? After I called 911 and put the T-U-L-L, you guys have been on my ass ever since, you motherfucking bitch. You guys took away my phone. What for? When I fucking got arrested last? Making sure? Huh? Fucking dude, fucking dirty shit like that. Who goes to jail with a fucking phone and then fucking not give it back?
Okay, ready? Sit back real quick. I need to undo your seatbelt.
I am sitting back. I'm here. Then put up my shirt so my tits not fucking showing.
Right, move back and I'll do it real quick. Here, let me pull this up real quick.
Just so you know, it's just a process when you come into the jail that you have to be searched again, enter the facility.
Can you guys take this off me? I'm fucking allergic to metal. Please, it's burning my fucking arms.
In a moment.
Bethany receives a C. Her self-defense claim that Mario threatened her first in front of her child was legally significant and appeared on the record. Under Massachusetts self-defense doctrine, a reasonable belief of imminent harm can negate criminal liability for assault. That argument was buried in incoherent statements officers could not evaluate. Her physical resistance added a resisting arrest charge under Chapter 268, Section 32B, a charge that stands regardless of the underlying arrest's validity. Volunteering statements post-Miranda further undermined her legal position. Officer Navarro receives a B-. De-escalation was patient and tactically sound. Probable cause was adequately developed before the arrest was declared. Miranda was administered correctly. The deduction comes from failing to conduct or supervise the pat-down of the female suspect, a clear procedural responsibility. The male backup officer receives a C+. The forced entry and takedown were legally defensible under the circumstances, but conducting a cross-sex search in public, failing to respond to the documented handcuff pain complaint, and the unresolved throat restraint allegation collectively prevent a higher evaluation. 3 takeaways from this incident. First, a self-defense claim made on the record, however, incoherently becomes material evidence at trial. Officers are not required to credit it, but courts will review it. Second, same-sex search protocol is not optional when a qualified officer is present. Deviation creates unnecessary Section 1983 exposure. Third, resisting a lawful arrest is an independent criminal act. Whether the underlying arrest holds up in court is a separate question entirely. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.